Hello friends, today I showed you a hidden Google game, Tic-Tac-Toe. Let's see how to play it. First friends, you open Chrome browser and writing here Tic-Tac-Toe. And friends, this interface open ready. Here you can choose X or 0 and start to playing. If you like this video, like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.